Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. It is an honor to speak about me and my madrasa. I am Kabir Hussain. I am a student of Jamia Shar'iyya Sirajul Ulum and Nur Children Care, Rahimpur Bukarnagat. It is at Ramanbari. This is a very nice and popular institute in our district. This madrasa has three departments. Number one is in Nurani education. Number two, Hifzul Quran. Number three, Kitab department. I am Kabir Hussain. I am a student of the fourth class in the Kitab department. Alhamdulillah, and there are 11 qualified teachers in our madrasa. Most of them are trained and highly experienced in teaching. They love us very much. Our teachers are doing a wonderful job. They teach with love, care, and patience. May Allah reward them. We thank our principal Mufti Ubaidullah Ashraf Damat Barakatuhum for his great leadership and tireless efforts to guide this institution. He always works for the betterment of students and the madrasa. We are also grateful to our President Al-Haj Ghazi Muhammad Anisul Islam, whose support and advice help the madrasa go stronger every day. I am proud to be a part of this madrasa. May Allah Almighty bless everyone's lives. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.